In this section, I'm going to cover most used DAX functions. Why? Because DAX contains over 250 functions. It's practically impossible to cover all the functions in DAX. The primary focus of this section is to highlight what DAX is and some of the functions how you can use, so that with that knowledge you will have understanding when to use respective function based on your business needs. And also I'm recommending these two references. You can bookmark this because these links will help you to understand any scenarios that you want to implement certain functions to be referenced. You can find the definitions here. Of course, in the age of ChatGPT, you can always ask the question to ChatGPT. It will give you the correct functions. And with this note, let's try to list down those functions, most used DAX functions. So aggregate function, sum x, and average x, minimum, maximum. Basically sum, average, min, max, count is the aggregate functions. Along with that, you have a x, which is the iterator. I'm going to cover in the next section. And you have a filter function, calculate, filter, all except, keep filters, remove filters, lookup values. These are some of the filter functions as well. And we have a very important concept, time intelligence functions, total, YTD, MTD, date add, first, last state, year, month, day, today, end of month. And finally we have relationship functions, related table, use relationship, blank, has value, summarize, group by, treat as. So basically whatever I listed down, these are the functions predominantly used in any of the implementation. Once you have aware of this, most of the project work can be handled, let's say 80 to 90%. Remaining 10% requires certain other functions to be used based on your business scenario. So I hope you understand what our important functions are, and I'm not going to cover all these functions as well as part of this course. I will cover in each section, like aggregate function, time intelligence function, relationship function, some functions, so that you can understand the logic. Then you can utilize the online materials. You can go through all the functions for your practice. And of course, I want to highlight another important aspect here. I have a playlist that dedicated for DAX that covers almost 50 plus functions in detail with scenarios. Each scenario I will explain and when to use it. So you can utilize that content as well. With this note, let's try to understand our next section, filter context and the row context.